Upgrade your English, A1 to A2 sentences, step by step. She likes guitar.
She likes guitar.
She likes playing the guitar.
She likes playing the guitar.
We learn English.
We learn English.
We learn English easily.
We learn English easily.
He works here.
He works here.
He works here as a manager.
He works here as a manager.
She teaches English.
She teaches English.
She teaches English at a school.
She teaches English at a school.
We eat food.
We eat food.
We eat healthy food.
We eat healthy food.
They live here.
They live here.
They live here happily.
They live here happily.
I watch movies.
I watch movies.
I watch movies on weekends.
I watch movies on weekends.
She teaches kids.
She teaches kids.
She teaches small kids.
She teaches small kids.
He plays tennis.
He plays tennis.
He plays tennis after school.
He plays tennis after school.
They travel often.
They travel often.
They travel often by airplane.
They travel often by airplane.
We work together.
We work together.
We work together in one office.
We work together in one office.
I use phone.
I use phone.
I use my phone daily.
I use my phone daily.
She is my aunt.
She is my aunt.
She is my aunt from Canada.
She is my aunt from Canada.
They are students.
They are students.
They are students of this college.
They are students of this college.
He reads books.
He reads books.
He reads English books.
He reads English books.
I clean room.
I clean room.
I clean my room daily.
I clean my room daily.
She buys clothes.
She buys clothes.
She buys new clothes.
She buys new clothes.
He is my friend.
He is my friend.
He is my friend from college.
He is my friend from college.
She sings songs.
She sings songs.
She sings sweet songs.
She sings sweet songs.
We play games.
We play games.
We play games together.
We play games together.
I meet friends.
I meet friends.
I meet my friends often.
I meet my friends often.
She goes outside.
She goes outside.
She goes outside daily.
She goes outside daily.
I need help.
I need help.
I need your help.
I need your help.
He opens door.
He opens door.
He opens the door slowly.
He opens the door slowly.
I go home.
I go home.
I go home early.
I go home early.
I eat rice.
I eat rice.
I eat rice at night.
I eat rice at night.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I drink cold water.
I drink cold water.
I wake up.
I wake up.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I feel very happy today.
I feel very happy today.
She lives alone.
She lives alone.
She lives alone in the city.
She lives alone in the city.